Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is DEMIYA if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this flawless foundation routine. Let me get up close so y'all can see. I think I did really good despite all my troubles in this video. You see it. Anyways, if you're at home not doing anything, go ahead and do your makeup with me. I think it's helpful to watch and practice at the same time. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this, just keep on watching. I went ahead and washed my brushes, well, the ones that I'm going to be using to apply foundation and concealer. Flawless foundation also starts with well moisturized skin and some good primer. I'm using this Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen and Rose Galore by, I believe this is Moon X Cosmetics. When your face is well moisturized, it just helps your foundation to glide on. And I know I look oily, but it's not gonna look like this at the end. This is about my foundation routine, so I'm gonna do my eyes and come back. I like to bring my concealer down into the crevice of my eye and around it. It just helps with blending later on. I usually use this Maybelline Master Prime. It's hydrating. It's a hydrating smooth primer. And then I also use this Tarte matte poreless primer. But today I'm gonna try this Milk Hydro Primer. So I'm gonna try this, but I'm not gonna put it where I get oily. So yeah, I think I have combination skin. So I think I have combination skin, so I avoid putting the hydrating primers in my T-zones, but I do put it underneath my eyes and like on this part of my face. Oh. Then I put the matte primer on my top lip, my nose, and right here. And sometimes it looks like I got on a lot of primer, and I probably do, but I don't think there's no such thing as too much primer. Like, I don't know. Your face can be too smooth. I'd rather have too much than not enough. I didn't mean to put that right there. You don't need, unless you want a full coverage look, you don't really need foundation under your eyes because you don't put because you're gonna put concealer there. Yeah, I just like to pat my foundation in. And this is a pretty dense brush, as y'all can see. I love these dense brushes. I think it gives such a nice application. You can take it onto your ear if you want to. I don't do that. And the closest I go is right there. And you can also take it onto your neck, but I don't do that either. Alrighty, now that I look like a chocolate donut, I'm gonna take my concealer and place it. Bigfoot!
Me?
Yeah.
What?
Can you stop stomping around? Stop stomping around. Walk lightly, tread lightly. So when you blend out your concealer, I like to just like stay in the area. Don't drag it, just blend like this. Don't move it around. I mean, you can bring it onto your nose. You like to bring it to the sides to snatch my nose, but I don't like apply concealer on my nose. I just spread it out what's under my eye and then bring that down around. And then I'll work my way out. And then the foundation, the concealer that's right here, like I said, I keep it right here. I don't like to bring it out because I feel like that widens my face. I already have a round face. I just want to keep it like right here. Keep it right here. If you want to make your face wider, bring it out. But I just focus the concealer right here. Same on this side. And I feel like stopping the concealer right here makes your cheekbones more pronounced. And don't worry about it. I know I'm not blended well right here. I'm gonna come back to it. I put too much concealer on my chin because that never needed that much, and I never even used this much. And blend this. Yeah, my camera just decided to cut off. I'm really getting tired of this 12. Like, how are you telling me my storage is full when I have 128 gigabytes? And it's the same amount of stuff that I had on my old phone, which was 64 gigabytes. Like, you're lying. Anyways, take your foundation brush and blend out the edges of everything that you just concealed. And I do like to leave these for last because I like these to be pronounced. My nose, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. I got some concealer on the back of my hand. Create a light line from the corner of your mouth to, I guess, the edge of your sideburns, the end of your sideburn. I used to take my concealer and just this thing and just draw it on, but I found that applying the product on the back of your hand and just putting it on with the brush makes it look more natural and not so harsh. Then take my foundation brush and go over it. At this point, you can set your face if you want, but I like to do concealer then set my face. It doesn't really make a difference to me whether or not I wait to set my face. But yeah. One last drop. So when it comes to contour, some people like to do a straight line. You can do kind of curve it. I think this is kind of curved to make it like lift your face. Yeah, it just depends on how your face is shaped and how you want to accentuate your face. So I'm really getting like annoyed right now because my phone keeps acting like I don't have no storage when I know I do. So yeah, I'm really thinking about taking this phone back to the store. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. So I went ahead and blended out most of my contour because I didn't want it to dry and it not be blendable. On my jawline, I bring it down like this. And then right here, I move this up. And like with my highlight, I like to keep it in the same place. And when I say I move it up, I'm talking about like this line right here. I don't move this part up. I just you know, blend that part out. And don't worry, I'm gonna go back in and blend it out some more. I actually used too much concealer. Not concealer, contour right there. But I like when I make mistakes on camera so I can show y'all what not to do. But so yeah. After that, I'm gonna take my same concealer brush and just go over that area. And if you need some more, just feel free to add to it. You can also take your foundation and blend the middle. Just blend the middle right out. But I'm gonna do the highlighter since this contour is too dark anyways. Now I'm finally about to blend this highlight out. I did not mean to let this sit so long, but because of my phone started acting stupid, I had no choice. So usually I just use a smaller brush, but since I already had this in my hand, I'm using this one. And I still have the contour anyway, so. If you're trying to snatch your nose, then if you blend out your highlighter real wide like this, then it's not gonna snatch it, it's just making it look wider, right? Because this looks wider than the bridge that I already have. So like I said, being intentional with your brush sizes. You want a small brush so you can get like exactly where you need to go. I like to use brushes like this. It's like a dense packing brush. It's really for eyeshadow, but I think it's good for blending. So I have to blend up into my eyebrows. You can also make your nose look too big with contouring. Because if you put too much contour, like say if I had spread my contour out this way, it's gonna make it look bigger. I don't know if that makes sense, but it'll make your nose look bigger. And there's nothing wrong with big noses. But if you're aiming for a snatched nose, then you don't wanna bring your contour all the way out. You would just want to keep it in the same place. I learned from Carly Bible. I don't know if y'all watch her. Bible, whatever. To like, I'm not gonna do it, but she like rolls her contour up. She rolls her contour up into the concealer. I might actually. It's just all about creating shadows. So yeah. Alright. Like you want to create shadows, but also clean up around it, so it's like a clean shadow and not muddy everywhere. And I'm still working on you know, learning how to perfect my nose contour. I'm not a pro at it, as y'all can see. This is not perfect at all, but this is just how I like to do it. Nobody taught me this, but this is just how I do it. I love those TikToks. So now that I've done that, I want to make this more pronounced, so it like flows more into my nose, because yeah, I just want to do that. So now that I'm done with all of that, I'm finally gonna set my face. do not wait this long to set your face. I only waited this long because I got thrown off by circumstances. Take it onto the side of your nose. This is going to help to reinforce your contour, your nose contour. Do y'all watch Bridgerton? I cannot wait to finish this video so I can edit and then watch Bridgerton. It's so good. And I'm just doing this so when I put on my lip liner, it has something to grip onto. I learned this from Painted by Spencer. Bro, do not come with the waterworks. Don't start, don't start, don't start. I like to let my setting spray dry down a little bit and then pat it in with my foundation brush or my powder brush. My best friend bought me this Fenty Glow. What color is this? It's the Gloss Bomb Cream Fenty Glow for Christmas. And this is my first time using it. It's so pretty. And it smells good. It smells so good. This is the perfect everyday lip gloss. It's given. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, leave a comment down below. And also, if you have any tips for me, leave them down below because I'm always willing to learn something new. I don't think I'm a pro or anything. I just think I'm good at doing my makeup, but it's always something new to be learned. So yeah, leave them down below for me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share this video with someone. And also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.
Sunshine to my